Good afternoon, Mr. Faisal. Today we're going to talk about DNRD Dubai migration and the connective to ERP system. Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Faisal Al Abdouli. I work at Dubai Immigration since 7 years now, approximately 7 years. I started as an assistant and today I'm a lieutenant. My organization is a government sector. It's the pass for abroad people to the UAE. It's the gate.
Mr. Faisal, can you please tell us about ERP and how does ERP process helps in your department?
ERP is a short form of for enterprise resource planning. It's a business process management software that allows an organization to use a system, integrated applications to manage the business and to automate back office functions. Basically, ERP software integrates all phases of an operation, including product planning, development, manufacturing process, plus sales and marketing. In my organization, what's good about ERP, since our organization is a highly secured organization, we have connections with the Dubai Police, Dubai Customs, the Army, plus the headquarter, which is Ministry of Interior.
How does DNRD system works with security and ERP system?
The main idea is to keep the balance between making data available to the users that need it and denying it from those who should not have access to it easily. Plus, to manage the risk of our organization needs to implement an appropriate access strategy. We are not waiting for any mistake to make us embarrassed and potentially devastating event to find out that security and controls our ERP system are indicate and our continuous exposure for our organization. By managing the security of ERP information into and out of our organization has never been more critical or more challenging as business grows. The information system support whole communities, customers, suppliers, business partners and employees who all count on the secure exchange of a wide variety of information to place orders, pay bills and keep records up to date. Our ERP security specialists have the expertise, tools and methodologies to make sure that our e-resource ERP system includes a tailored, cost-effective security approach that dovetails with our firewall, virus scanner, spam control, and as well as the backup system.
Is your ERP system web-based or software integrated system?
No, e-resource ERP can be installed and configured on any local server of your office. If a dedicated IP is configured on the local server, all other locations can connect through the ERP server by typing the IP address on the URL bar of their respective browser. Then they will all get connected together in one server.
What makes software ERP more ideal than server-based solutions?
Companies and customers have begun asking for enterprise solutions that are broader in scope, address unique challenges and links up with other parts of the organization, and that too in a very low cost and a more effective price, of course. Linking the solution to our customers, business partners and branches spread across the globe and spread across all branches in the UAE was a critical aspect for organization. eResource ERP is the only enterprise solution in the UAE that promises to connect the organization with their respective departments, branches, customers, business partners, nationally and globally.
Are security access and remote access issues addressed?
The eResource does the encryption of the critical data when the application needs to handle transactions of data in highly secure way. Encryption converts the data into some digest form to make the data secure over the network. Also, the decryption process changes the encrypted data back into its original form. eResource ERP does the encryption of data between the web server and its client. The most common mean to tackle remote access issues is that we suggest our customers and business partners to use a secure socket layer which uses public key cryptography to protect confidential user information that is transmitted across the web, which is called the token, that they can access our DNRD system and to apply any information they want or any application forms they want.
Finally, is the system scalable? Can we add new users at a later date?
Administrator can create new users, and there is no limit to the number of users. The number of users who can log on to the system at any time is, however, limited by the number of concurrent users license who have permissions. Although additional permissions can be given in an upper stage, for example, from lieutenant and above ranked people. Lower levels, it doesn't have any permission to access the system.
Thank you, Lieutenant Faisal Al Abdouli, for the ERP and the way of connectivity between the ERP and your organization, Dubai Immigration. Thank you again, and hope to see you in future meetings. Thank you.